Hello everyone. So my name is Dr. Rathina Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. So in this presentation, we are going to see what is meant by constant, variables, keywords, identifiers, and delimiters. So let us start with an character state. So what is meant by character state? The C programming language provides support for the following types of character sets. For an example, letters, digits, special characters, and white spaces. Now we are going to see some examples of the character sets. For an example, letters. We all know that we have uppercase and lower cases. Digits means the 0 to 9. The special character. So these are all some examples of the special characters. So blank space, horizontal tab, new line. So these are all examples of the white spaces. Next, we are going to see the C tokens. What is mean by tokens? That is a very important point. So C tokens are the basic building blocks in a C languages, which are constructed together to write a C program. The second important point is each and every smallest individual unit in a C program are known as C tokens. Uh, the third important thing is what are the types of tokens are available. For an example, keyword, identifier, constant, strings, special symbol, operators. So in this slide, uh, the keyword, very simple example is an int or while or whatever it may be. Identifier is an total. The constant, the example for the constant is some numbers 10, 20. The example for string is hello, total. The special symbols, the open bracket, close bracket. So operators, the we will see separately what is meant by operator, what are the different types of operators. So here we show only some examples, that's all. For understanding purpose, here we are display some examples. Yeah, these are all the types of tokens. This is a very simple program for the tokens. We have declared three variables and we perform the addition operation and display that values. That's all. So here main is an identifier. The open bracket close bracket is called as a delimiter. The int we used in this program is a keyword. The x, y, total are called as a variable. That's all. Next, we are going to see what is meant by an identifier. Identifier refers to the names of variables, functions, and arrays. Uh, our identifier must contain only letters, digits, or underscore. So these are all rules of an identifier. We cannot use keyword as an identifier. It does not contain white space. Next, we are going to see what is meant by a variable. Variable is an identifier that is used to represent some specified type of information. For an example, x equal to 3, y equal to 4. Here, x and y are variables. That's all. Next, we are going to see the keywords. Keywords are predefined words in a C compiler. Each keyword is meant to perform a specific function in a C program. A keyword is a reserved word, so we cannot use it as a variable name or constant name. So these are all the example for the keywords. Int, float, else, enum, quote2. It is a predefined, so we cannot use it for a variable name or some other purpose. Next, we are going to see what is meant by a constant. A constant is a value or variable that cannot be changed in the program. For an example, x equal to 3. Here 3 is a constant. We cannot change it. So in general, there are two types of a constant in a C programming. One is numeric constants. Second one is a character constant. So these are all uh, uh, example for numeric constant and character constants. Yeah. First, we are going to see what is meant by integer constant. So decimal, octal, example. So these are all the types of integer constant. Real constant. Now I will tell you what is meant by real constant. It is formed using a sequence of digit, but it contains a decimal point. That is a very important one. The next we are going to see the character constants. In generally it can be two types. One is single character constant, another one is a string constant. Yeah, with the help of that example we can easily understand these things, so we don't bother about much things. So these are all what are the constant available in a C languages: decimal, floating point, octal, hexadecimal, character, and string. So don't bother about anything. If you see an example, so you can easily match that. So for an example, what is meant by character constant? Nothing. A, B, X. That's all. So these once you understand the example, you can easily understand what is its definition. So these are all the delimiters used in the C languages. Uh, so that's all about. Thank you.